In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your home currency in QuickBooks Online and the key limitation you need to know. Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're focusing on your home currency in QuickBooks Online, what it is, why it matters, and exactly how to change it if you're just getting started. Your home currency is the default currency your books use for reporting and transactions. It affects how totals are displayed and how QuickBooks interprets your financial data. So picking the right one from the start is important. If you haven't entered any transactions in your company yet, you can change the home currency directly in your settings. Here's how to do it. First, click the Settings icon, the little gear in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. From there, choose Account and Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Advanced. Scroll down until you see the Currency section. Here, you'll find the Home Currency field. Open the list and select your preferred currency, for example, Philippine Peso or PHP. Once you've chosen the correct currency, click Save to confirm the change, and then click Done to exit the settings. That's all there is to it. Before you move on, take a moment to double-check that the currency you selected truly matches the country where you report your finances, since this choice drives how your reports are calculated and displayed. Now there's an important limitation you need to understand. If you've already created transactions in this company, things like invoices, bills, expenses, or bank activity, the home currency becomes locked. QuickBooks will not allow any changes to the home currency after transactions exist. This is by design, because changing it midstream would compromise the accuracy and integrity of your accounting data and reports. If you need a different home currency but you already have transactions, the only workaround is to create a new QuickBooks company and set the correct home currency there before entering any data. It's a good idea to plan this setting carefully at the very beginning of your setup to avoid extra work later. And that's how you set your home currency in QuickBooks Online. Remember, this is effectively a one-time setting, so always double-check your choice before saving. If this walkthrough helped you get things set up correctly, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.